Here we have a 2021 Buick Enclave Essence. Comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, automatic transmission in a beautiful white color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, have a nice armrest, parallax windows and mirrors, Bose sound system all throughout with that white leather upholstery, power driver lumbar support. Top on the side, air vent on the left, got your electronic park brake, digital gauge cluster dimming controls, automatic headlights. Got our cruise control functions, Bluetooth controls, radio controls, buttons to control what we're seeing on our digital gauge, digital speedometer, fuel range information, tire pressures, whatever audio you have playing, navigation, no nav right now. If your phone's connected via Bluetooth, and our settings in here as well. Infotainment, come to the audio, got AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Whoops. Go to your phone. Go and connect your phone via Bluetooth. You have access to your favorites, keypad, recents, contacts, and other phones you might have already connected. Navigation, already mentioned, we don't have in this vehicle as of right now. Settings, can message your time of day, language, phones, Wi-Fi networks, hotspot, your display, sounds, voice, favorites, any updates. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM. Vehicle settings like a rear seat reminder, climate and air quality, collision detection, comfort, convenience, lighting, teen driver, valet mode. Safety features have our lane change alert, rear cross traffic alert, and your rear camera park assist symbols there. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, climate controls. We do have dual zone electronic climate control for the front and the rear. Sirius XM, your Spotify, OnStar services, and your My Buick here as well. Got your volume rocker, dual zone climate control functions, front and rear defrost there as well. USB inputs, SD card insert for that navigation. You got a 12 auxiliary, backup camera, rear park sense audio, 2 cup holders, center console, dual moonroof, one in the front, one in the back, sunglass holder, garage door opener buttons, moonroof controls, OnStar services, and an auto dimming rearview mirror. Let's head outside. The front got our headlights, black finished grille, Buick badge in the middle, gray and silver alloy rims, paint matching door handles and mirrors, keyless entry feature, rear tinted windows, silver roof rails, Enclave all-wheel drive badge, rear parking sensors, your ST badge. Open up the trunk. Opens up automatically. Three rows of seating, 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, 3 in the back. Let's go take a look at those back seats now. Into the back, nice armrest, power windows, got a cup holder there in the door panel as well. All weather mats all throughout, that same leather upholstery. Captain's chairs here in the middle, got their armrests. You got your rear and tri-zone climate control functions, AC input, USB inputs. Also got 3 more seats in the back there, and that moonroof and their own air vents. Put back outside. That'll wrap it up for this 2021 Buick Enclave. If you guys have any questions or want to book test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.